Creating sign-up forms for your Shopify store in Klaviyo allows you to capture customer information, grow your email list, and automate your email marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a sign-up form in Klaviyo for your Shopify store. Log into Klaviyo. Go to your Klaviyo account and log in. Create a new sign-up form. On the left sidebar, click on Sign Up Forms. Click the Create Sign Up Form button. Choose a form type. Select from various form types like pop-up, embedded, or flyout. For Shopify, pop-up forms are popular because they appear when users visit your site. Design the form. Customize your form's appearance using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor. Add fields like email, name, or any custom fields you need. Personalize the message to align with your branding and offer incentives like discounts for signing up. Set up form triggers. Choose when you want the form to appear. Integrate with Shopify. In the form settings, link the form to your Shopify store's email list. You can also connect it to an existing flow to engage users immediately after they subscribe. Publish the form. Once you're happy with the form design, click Save and Publish to activate it on your Shopify store.